Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome on tours. I hope you're doing well. We're in Valletta, the capital of Malta, and we're just outside the Archaeology Museum. So let's see what on. So yeah, this actually, let's have a look. There we go, a little bit of history. So yeah, this island is famous for its history and archaeology. So yeah, if you are a history buff, then this is definitely the place. And I actually want to learn a lot more now that I've done a little bit of research. There's quite a lot of kind of findings here that this has been documented, that, you know, there might have been sort of settlers here, sort of like, we're talking maybe like 6,000 years ago or something. Now I feel like I'm making it up. Do not quote me on these facts. The point is, this is a very old island, and if you do want to check out the history, the best place to do it is on the island. So yeah, if you are into it, book your tickets. Rolex everywhere here. I'm not really into fancy watches. I used to wear a watch all the time, and now I just wear my smartwatch. See the water down there? There's always that debate with a smartwatch. Is it dangerous? Because it's, you know, people are like, oh, but it knows what you're doing, it can read you and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, yeah, but your phone does the same thing. Everything does the same thing. So you either have to have nothing or you just accept. So freshly baked waffles. It's not a bad price, actually. That's very affordable. But we went to one place. Where was we? Where was that place? It just opened. And she charged us like a stupid amount for a... hang on, there's lots of building works. Let's try and get away from this area so you guys can actually hear. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there's somewhere you can put your lockets as well. Yeah, we did. So this is it during the day.
So it's fill that building quickly.
Yeah.
See the big building. But it's okay, like a civic centre, doesn't it?
Yeah, like a town hall. It's giving me very much town hall vibes. Yeah. Right, then we're coming to the main square now. I believe so. I do believe we are coming to the main square. Really, really busy. But this is the capital, so I suppose you would expect the capital to be thriving. Got another, this is where Victoria sits, Queen Victoria. Good old Queen Vic. No, Queen of the Square. It's Queen Victoria.
Oh.
So before Elizabeth the second, sorry.
That's what I said, the Queen's mouth.
Right. We're going to head to our little bar, get a drink. It's Abba. Go on Aldo? Is that how you say it? The shop? Aldo? Comment below, Aldo. I think I filmed this yesterday as well. Yeah, I wonder if you put any money in, does it grant you any wishes or anything? No change in that one. God, that ice cream looks so good. We just had tiramisu though, so not really hungry for ice cream. Very pretty door. So this is like loads of little bars, restaurants. There we go. Yeah, it's a good deal. Very nice. It's nice and shaded down here as well, so if you're someone who just want to get out of the sun, and these little bars and restaurants are quite nice because you can get away from it, have your food, have a drink, and then go straight back into it. Big one, isn't it? Yeah. All the Christmas, yeah. Yeah, this is the one we'll be going in a minute.
15 minutes.
So it's the embassy.
Let's just go up. Come.
Yeah.
That's what this video can be. Come, let's go
Come
up.
on.
This.
Oh, well, we're going to end it here.
No, we're not. We're going to go to the top.
Oh, okay. Sorry, we're going to take you all the way. I thought we were going to start fresh from, but we're actually going to... Yeah. Yeah. It's brown there, isn't it? Ooh.
What was it, 7?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Let's go and check out the view of Valletta. So we made it to the rooftop bars. Show you guys around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me show you guys this gorgeous view. I've got shorts on. Show you. It goes all the way around there. There's Coke. Our drinks. And then they've also got like an affinity pool as well. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.